Oh my gosh, Jaden, I found the perfect song for this moment. And it's Raindrops Keep Falling on My Head. You can actually think of it. Huh, Jaden? Jaden. Okay, I'm following you. Wait, my phone's getting wet. I'm panting.
Okay, I don't want this to happen.
Jaden, check it out. It's like the perfect song.
See, I did not get hurt.
Raindrops are falling on my head, and just like the guy whose feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way.
This is the perfect song. I think so. So people are turning and wondering why I'm talking to myself. But I'm talking to Jaden.
That.
I didn't do it, I'm sorry. Hey Jaden,
I'm seeing what you're doing.
I didn't do it. You're freezing?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.